Welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet Creamy Chop Suey. Today, we're making a lovely chop suey with a little bit of an addition to make it nice and creamy. And that addition, you might have guessed it. If you didn't, don't worry. That's a roux, and we'll put that down the road. But we're going to start off with cauliflower, bok choy, carrots, some ginger, and a good bit of onion dust, garlic powder, and salt, the sea salt that is, as well as white pepper. And we're going to do that with chicken stock, hopefully freshly made. If not, the box stuff works just as well. And in there, once it's all put together, we're going to let it boil for a good while. And as you might have seen, we're going to dump some nice roux right on top in the middle, mix it around, make it creamy, and then spread it to the rest of that lovely chop suey that it gets nice and coated and ready to work in a lovely light stew. Now, Chinese food sometimes does this in the form of their white sauce, and they use cornstarch. I find if you do it with a roux and a little bit of flour, it works out a little better for my taste buds. Perhaps you will too. Let me know if you find out the same. But you're going to cook it for about 30 minutes total, and you're going to take it down low in the middle so that it goes a low heat, and you're going to put that lid on for a while. And when you do that, you're going to let it go for about 15 to 20 minutes with the lid on. It's going to be 5 minutes to 6 minutes high heat on each end to finish it off and start it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we do it at the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet. You can add in olives for a little bit of a Spanish flair, or add mashed potatoes for a little bit of a northern stew. Do-It-Yourself Gourmet, everybody. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.